We're gonna walk back to Venice Beach part. So I'll just let it, I don't walk that fast, but I'll just let it run while we're walking, okay? So here we go.
Okay, so I actually came down here for the 4th of July this year.
This is me, reggae. I'm from Jamaica. You listen to reggae music?
Sometimes.
Okay, and what's your name?
David.
King David. Anywhere the Bible go, your name go with it. And my name is Lee. And it's reggae music, Spotify, YouTube, SoundCloud.
Okay.
All right, I just asked for a small donation, King David. Can do a small tip, please? Thank you.
I don't carry any money.
You don't do like Apple Pay? No card, top? Venmo, Cash App?
No, never Bimbo.
Huh?
No, never Bimbo, so I think you better keep it, my friend.
One love. All right, David.
Okay.
All right, take care. All right, one love.
Italy, Jamaica.
He's got him breathing. Yeah, like that.
Senti. Da parte.
Here's Muscle Beach part. See if we can do some of this.
No, I was trying to get them.
I'm talking about her.
Here's some more here. And we did a lot of the car show. Did about 20 minutes of the car show. at the beach today.
Everybody do it different. Ready for the cure.
A lot going on at the car show. A lot of different music out. The car show is bigger than I thought, but we did quite a bit of it, so. Especially since your boy doesn't know anything about cars. I wouldn't know when to go film and when's not to film. So hopefully we did pretty good with what we got. Okay, here's the main entrance to the car show that we got when we came by the first time.
But you know how it go, nigga. I'm front line every time it's on, nigga. 100 pro flow, 100 shoot close, 58 drops, playing bulletproof soul. Every few shows, I just buy some new goals. Circle got smaller, everybody can't go. Downtown Diamond District, Cubans like yo. Hustle holla at me, I got Cubans on the road. Get cool, smoking Cubans on the road. Got an afternoon just to smoke.
Definitely a lot of people here today, but there should be. This is August, so weekend in August. Inland Empire is 115 degrees. Where I'm at, Bomb Desert is 115. So. Where else would you want to be than the beach? It's just people. People everywhere. There's people everywhere. I saw a guitarist, guy playing a guitar yesterday on the Venice Beach website. And he was off in an area by himself. I'm kind of looking for him. Because I was going to maybe see if I can film him. It's not this guy with the electric guitar. It was the guy with the acoustic guitar. Might be this guy up there. I'm looking through the camera, I saw before. May not be down as far as I thought. I think he was somewhere around in here. Two tattoos for 120, walk-ins all day. I think I'll pass. This is where we started. There's the camera up there.
What happens when two streamers meet?
There we see this. Oh, there's that memorial that we've seen from before. They featured this for quite a while, I remember. I know the hand here. I see that every day when I watch the YouTube. I don't know how we're doing on the heat though. I might go sit over here for a minute. Let's go sit over here for a minute. I'm going to turn the camera off.